is qualifying time. Let's discover who will be the poleman for tomorrow. Follow me. Matthias, I see that you cannot hear me because of the music, but now yes. So, what about the strategy for this race? Pole position or?
I give every time 100%, and this is why we're racing for them. And yeah, we will see. I give the best, and I hope I can finish on top 3, something like that.
What actually are you listening?
I don't know.
Relaxing, nice. Good luck. Hello Clement, sorry for disturbing, but this could be really tough for you because a lot of pressure on you, guys are so close to you.
No, I mean, for me it's a really relaxing race, it's qualifying kit. I will try to do a good start and then just ride really relaxed, and we can see what will happen because yeah, it's really that we are really close in the points, but I mean it's still a lot of races to do, so I must focus on myself at the moment.
Seems like this season you are really nice in a qualifying race. What about this?
Well, I don't know. I hope that coming really nice also in the race. So yeah, maybe I had bad luck. So we will see what's happened like in qualifying racing and what's happened for tomorrow. Tomorrow is an important day, so we will see.
How important for you is to take pole position for tomorrow?
Well, it's very important, of course, but I still have to remember that the race is tomorrow and the points are tomorrow, so I'm not gonna take any risk, but try to still get a very good start and hopefully pole position.
Sure, thank you. Matthias, you started like from the hell. Whole shot at the beginning and then leading all the time.
It's pretty rough to ride. It's not bumpy, but it's slippery and yeah, tricky. And you are fast over the limit. So, but I find good rhythms and I'll take the lead.
You were followed by Bertuzzo.
I heard him every time, but I was focused on my race that I didn't make mistakes and looking for new lines, and I'm happy for them, but for tomorrow is important.
We are happy for you.